In this chapter, three-dimensional geometry, we have already done straight line in a space. Now, we are moving to the next interesting topic, that is the plane. Three-dimensional geometry, first topic was straight line in a space, and now we are having for the plane. Now, exactly what the plane is, let's define it first. Now, a plane is a surface such that if two points are taken in it, in the plane, okay, if 2 points are taken in it, and now 2 points are taken, now straight line, a straight line joining these 2 points, lies wholly in the surface, lies wholly in the surface. Now this is a definition of a plane. Once again, now a plane is a surface such that if 2 points are taken in it, straight line joining these 2 points lies wholly in the surface. This is this is definition of a plane. Now just clearing it in the more specific way. Okay, now number 1, now okay, now, a plane is determined uniquely if any one of the following is known. Now first of all, this is a definition, and this is also type of a definition, but in a more specific way. Okay, now a plane is determined uniquely if any one of the following is known. Now what are the points? Now number 1, the normal to the plane and its distance from the origin is given. Now what is the normal? It means a perpendicular. Okay, now the normal to the plane and its distance from the origin is given, and this will be termed as equation of a plane in normal form. Now this sentence makes a little bit clarity. Okay, it is the perpendicular drawn to the plane and its distance from the origin is given, then easily we can define the plane. Now point number 2. Point number 2 is it passes through a point and is perpendicular to the given direction. Now it passes through a point means what exactly a plane is, a point is given, that plane passes through the point and is perpendicular to the given direction. Number 3, point number 3 is it passes through 3 non-collinear points. It passes through 3 non-collinear points. Now these are the 3 points. By just studying these points one after the another, you will be exactly feeling that what exactly plane is. Now basically from this last point, it passes through 3 non-collinear points. Now what 3 non-collinear points makes? Now suppose this is my hand. Now these are having 3 non-collinear points, so it means this is a plane in a 3D. Okay, so this was just simple definition for a plane.